In this video, I'm going to show you how to add text behind the image in Adobe Express. Now, there's going to be a few ways to do this. I'm going to show you one which I do think is the easiest. So first, you want to add the image where you want to add the text behind. So let's say I'm going to use this AI image of a person over here, and I want to add the text behind over here, kind of in between him and the background, okay? So the best way to do this would be to just get the image. For me, it's going to be this one. And then what you want to do is just duplicate the image. You could go and right click and click on duplicate or copy and paste it, whatever you want to do. Then as you can see, I have a duplicate over here and I'm going to position it over the first one, which means it's going to be pretty much like one on top of the other. That's very important. And you can see here I have two layers. What you want to do is go to the top layer. You want to click on it like this. And then as you can see, if you click on the edit tab, you want to go to edit and you can click on this remove background button. Now, as you can see, it's going to start loading and of course removing the background. And if I actually go and hide this layer over here, or if I just go and basically delete it for the second, you'll see there we go. The background has been removed of course, the image that was up top. Now, what you have to do is simply just select and add your text. I'm going to go over here, text, and I'm just going to go to add a title, some basic text, and I'm going to type in tutorial like this. I'm also going to change the color of it to something else. So I'm going to go to, for example, white over here, or let's do red so we can see better. And I'm going to change the size of it as well over here. Again, it's up to you, whatever text you add. You can change fonts, whatever. I'm going to leave it like this. I'm going to make it about this big. And then what you have to do is simply put this text behind this person over here in between the images. And as you can see, there we go. I've successfully put text behind image in Adobe Express. Super simple. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.